Despite or although, students get confused. Both shows contrast, but however, the formation in sentences are different. First of all, if I talk about despite is used with noun or with ing form. Despite the rain, I went out. Despite raining, I went out. So it is used with noun or with ing forms. And when it comes to although is followed by the complete sentence. Although it was raining, I went out. So remember, despite is used with noun and ing forms. However, although is used with sentence. If you also get confused in the connectors, do let us know. We will make it easy for you. Thank you.